But did Aiden ever text you back? I forget what you said.
Yeah, he said K. I didn't text him about the if he can come up.
Hopefully it makes it. I'm gonna be very, very slow though if it doesn't get cleared up. My quad will be way faster, but I don't think you want to sit there for 7 hours during the gas tank.
Okay. That's why I'm staying behind you.
You know, I'm gonna test it real quick. I put it on.
I mean, I was following you when you tested it. After we tested, we just dip.
I hope it stayed on. Better than that thing. That's my gas cap. If I gotta choke this thing. Choke it! Whenever I get back started again, I'm just gonna take off.
Yeah.
Might have to drain the gas out. I know it's getting gas. it. Because I think you're supposed to be down more. Down the tracks more. It's acting normal now, but then when we're going down the hill, it started acting up again. Alright, let me see it.
Yeah.
I think we can go up this road and just down that way.
Oh, we fell.
Yeah, we can. We can legit. So go up this road, turn that way, would be his house.
Okay.
There you go.
So literally that turn right there.
Yeah, up that way, and then go that way.
Stop sign.
So the stop sign is, yeah. Just follow me. You see how much faster it is?
On road? I mean, on
No,
the
how
road?
see how much it's acting faster.
You were sitting there just cruising down the down the hill.
I have my clutch pulled in. Oh, far way up too. I bet I had water on my car bottle. I haven't got an air filter. You can't switch. Let the car pass. Faster than mine. I think it's a bike.
You see me sitting out right there? A little bit.
It's your bike?
It's on, yeah. It's beautiful.
You wanna go ride it?
This thing was ugly. We still need a tube.
What tube?
We rode it.
Oh.
We still need a tube. We rode it.
Oh yeah. This thing is massive.
Come on, rode our bikes here.
I love that. When I learned how to ride, I'm sure that
Uh-oh. Yamaha, what one?
You got a clutch on it?
Yeah, mine's a clutch.
That thing's semi-automatic.
No, that has a clutch.
Mine's a little one.
Is this the one you said that didn't have a clutch on it when I was there?
Yeah, this one we have a clutch, the clutch.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this.
A couple weeks ago.
Yeah, oh, my gas is off.
First little thing. 3 series.
What year is that?
This, 1980.
And mine was a 1984 M80.
Yeah.
My stepbrother had an 81 Honda. It was white, but I got one.
I also got an XR80. I have 2 different 80s. Oh, they're both from the same year too. Both are 1980s.
How did you get here?
But where are the train tracks?
Yeah, we took the train tracks and we took the little bit of road the rest of the way.
Yeah.
Well, hell, you can go right across the street and get to it.
Yeah.
Did the train tracks get you to your house?
Oh, to our trails, then to my house. Huh?
Seems like it's missing. I think it needs some more
We came here like the second time we saw it coming. The first time we saw it coming here, my bike just wanted to die off. So we went back, and then my bike's working fine for something. I don't get what happened. What'd you say? What'd you say?
This thing's smaller than I thought. I thought you were like, oh my.
This thing's tall. This is way taller than I thought.
Things looks a little like skinnier than I thought.
Yeah, you can adjust them. Yeah, you must have raised it. Say it was missing.
Where's the filter go?
Yeah, filter. I think it's way up. That's the point though.
You said you
Tall. Yeah, I have one. I had it on Logan's bike, but then we put his other one back on.
Yeah, because my bike started messing up for some reason. And
It wasn't the air filter. It was still
just my
doing
bike
it.
in general. But now it's fixed.
I don't think it was pink. It was like more red. In the picture you sent, it looked more pink. Is it fire way up? Or is it like 20 kicks?
Huh?
Is it fire way up?
Not
Yeah,
for me.
choke it.
That's my bike. I had to choke it each time I stalled it.
Yeah,
Think-
if you choke it, it'll fire right up. It's that pop off.
Not for me. I suck. I can't ride.
Carburetor, I think needs messed with. I don't.
Probably needs cleaned.
Probably needs clean.
That's what I do in mine. I have to clean it.
I think probably needs plugged.
You want to start it? Real
Yeah,
quick?
I don't care. Start it.
I can't start it.
Oh, you
Go
say
ahead,
me?
try. You want to start it?
I could
Hear
try.
it?
Why is there two different buttons?
Once again, because it has an automatic start. Just the battery's dead.
Oh, it has an electric start.
Electric starter.
Why is this thing so tall?
I don't know.
It's so tall. What's the choke at? Oh, here. Oh my god.
Start it. Listen to it.
It's so tall.
Kickstart. I mean, kickstand too.
Is it in neutral? Oh, why is it has so much compression?
Jump on it.
It's so loud.
Yeah. Sounds like an actual motorcycle.
That's so loud.
It needs a tube.
Yeah, front tube. What size is it?
Supposed to be 125. Oh, the tube.
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's 17.
There, you're wrong.
You have a tube in it.
Yeah,
You have a tube.
Huh?
There's a tube inside of this.
Yeah, but it's got a hole in it.
You put some fixer flat inside though.
He did.
Oh.
He put some fixed flat, it didn't work. That's what the corn shit on the tire is.
Put glue on it.
We tried.
That
I
won't
just tried
work.
pumping it up.
Oh.
Couldn't get it.
That's what was wrong with mine.
What do you
My
think
front
it-
tube was
what
all
do you
popped
think
up, but
about
then
it?
we did something to it.
What?
Say goodbye to.
Bombs, probably.
That's where I got my my clutch level at, Bob's.
Only if Jason got his quad, you can come down. And only if this thing was running.
It
Seems
runs, it just-
so
it
big.
needs a tube.
Yeah, it needs a front tube. Probably.
Perfectly fine. This needs a tube.
Yeah, I mean, it cuts out a little bit if I don't know how to the fucking carburetor.
I probably could ride up,
But
but
it,
it doesn't have a
hell,
tube.
I've rode it a little bit around the fucking thing. It's the tire flat. I was getting him, trying to get him to fucking rack the start thing.
Yeah.
Running it, pulling out. He thinks, okay. He gets nervous and starts pumping fluid. That thing, if you dump it,
It's stand. Yeah. It's so tall. It's about
how do you adjust that shock?
the front ones.
Oh, the back.
Oh wait, here there's a you can move this. Oh, this thing's loose. You can move it and it doesn't know when you move, and it'll drop back down. Yeah.
Dude, this thing like it sounds like a motorcycle.
Jeez.
They're both them 2-stroke?
Yeah, those are both 2-strokes.
Which one's faster?
His?
I haven't
Mine's
decided
only
yet. Mine's
3
acting up. It won't go fast as
Is
we do.
that your bike, Logan?
Yeah, PW80. Only thing I can learn on so far.
It's fast.
Bikes?
Mhm. I mean, it's pretty easy to ride now.
You don't have a clutch.
No.
It's only 3 gears too.
That's
I think mine has
Aiden,
3
you wanna
gears.
take it- You want to ride it real quick?
No, there's no clutch. Let her ride it. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, that's.
I was trying to fucking push her on it. Maybe it was just blue on the fix up flat out.
Bring it up there.
You put. It's a 17. The tube.
17?
Yeah, that's what I think it said. Yeah, the rim size is a 17, so the tube is 17.
There's no clutch. Here.
That got a clutch on it?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's, I was trying to teach him how to, how to ride.
Yeah.
Pull out and shit. Well, he pulled out first time, got the second, but he got nervous because of the tire. He went around.
Yeah.
The front brakes aren't on it.
Yeah, I might have. I have a size. I have a 16-inch tube. I don't got a 17-inch tube, but I would have bung it. I have an air filter you can put on inside there?
This kickstand, I don't even think it's right on the board.
That's not mine. Mine's too small.
Go ahead.
Wait, why is mine leaking? That's a public form, Logan.
Yeah, he needs to learn how to ride too.
Yeah.
I think start like he has. I think he was like, yeah, I kept asking. I said, did it have a clutch? He said, yeah, no.
Let's see if this thing starts back up.